Hey y'all, today I'm going to teach you the easiest keyword in Python. Say you're writing some code and you write if name equals Lenny, and then all of a sudden you get really bored and tired, you just want to go and watch TV and put on some comfy socks, but now you're getting all these Python errors because you can't start an if statement without putting anything inside of it. So what do? Well, you just add the special Python keyword pass inside the if statement and all the errors go away. Now, that's not really the best example of why to use pass, but it is an example. You might be laying out plans for some code though, and you don't want to get hung up in the details of implementing everything, but you do want to remember that there's an if statement here. So you could add the if statement and just write pass as a placeholder until you can fill it in later. You can also put pass in a loop as well. And you can put pass in a functional piece of code that you're actually running, not just as a placeholder. For instance, let's say that in a very specific situation, you're not going to do anything, but in every other situation, you're going to do some sort of code. So what would you do? Well, it's hard to think of explaining every single one of those regular situations, but the very specific one is a lot easier to articulate. So you would just write if the special condition, pass, else, do whatever you're supposed to do. So don't pass up the opportunity to learn pass. It might even become your passion. I'm sorry, I really am.